Hey kids, welcome to This Thing's Got Problems. I'm Eric. Sorry about the sound quality. The thing's not on. A little supplement video for you to go with the one I just put out about the Harley-Davidson engine cleaning. This, I kind of figured out a thing, so I thought I'd share it with you real quick. This is another thing from Cycle Care. It's a product that's supposed to clean spokes. But what I've discovered, that if you have the natural, uncoated, not black wrinkle, not chromed, but just that metal, that pot metal type of engine, with it being the cam cover, the trans door on the right side, the primary, the rocker box covers, if it gets corroded, like if you leave it in your garage and you have a sweaty floor, and you have a cover on it over the winter, and then it's like you pull it off and it's like, what's happened to my bike? If you have that problem, or if your motorcycle has seen Florida for more than 37 seconds, you know how that white, there's corrosion that just happens instantly. What I figured out is there's a proper way to fix it, for sure. You sand it and you step up, your sandpapers, and you go from you go from 800 to 1,000 to 1,500 to 2,000, and then you Scotch Brite, and then you steel wool, and then you polish it back out. This way, this is a quick kind of just get it done, get it better quickly way of doing it. And you're gonna need your Quad Zero steel wools, 0000, and this spoke cleaner, which is acid base. So make sure you rinse it off, and I'll tell you all this in the video that you're going to see right now. All right, have you ever had this happen? You took a cover off your bike and you're like, what's that? Oh my God, what is going on here? I found a quick way that we can resolve this issue. It's not the right way, but it's a way. This is from Cycle Care. It's called New Spoke. It says not for well, that warning's gone. Can't see it anymore. It's fine. Probably pay attention to that on your end. I'm going to get out the old Quad Zero steel wool 0000 and give it a squirt. And this is like a wheel acid, but it's a gel, so it doesn't run all over your stuff that you don't want it on. Just give it a scrub. Just get at it. I kind of like to go in the same direction because it looks like it was on purpose. Give it a little wipe here. This was kind of me testing this out to see if it would do anything, and then I noticed, ooh, there is some promise here. Let's continue on, possibly in a very fast time-lapse version. And here we go. All right, so after all that is done, you can see there is a significant difference for the better. Let's try it on the other side, the show side they call it, because that's where the pipes are and not the primary. I don't know about the primary haters, but, the pipes for some reason is the show side. Again, in the same direction for the most part, if you can. And again, guys, this is a quick way. To do this the right way, you got to sand it down and get that corrosion out, and you probably have to pull the tank so you have access and get all those lines off and all that crap. But you're seeing the before and after right here. I mean, that's something, right? And when it's all said and done, after I did this whole motor here, as you can see left and right, look at that. This was minutes. This was literally minutes of work as opposed to hours. So, it's up to you. Yes, you can sand it all down and, get rid of the pits and everything else. There's a warning label. You should read that. It's out of focus. I don't know what it says, but it's probably something about gloves and goggles. And don't drink it. I wouldn't drink it. But that Cycle Care New Spoke, you can get that stuff anywhere for it's like $20. To make it look like this right here, after it got corroded in Florida or wherever it was on the coast, there you go. Much, much better. Just thought I'd share it with you, to go with the motor cleaning video I just put out. Like and subscribe if you would. That would be neat. See you next time.